Right, assalamu alaikum everyone. So far all the market is down and ICP is actually coming down to my target. So we pretty much touched 9.5 previously, and yes, you're looking for 8.5. That's where your next target really is out of this, what do you call that? A triangle. You have the symmetrical triangle. You broke below the triangle, and we're still probably waiting for that $8.5. Now on the monthly, I see problem for February as well, because the monthly signals based on candlestick reading is that this is just the beginning, because you have the green, next you have the red. So that actually means that the next candle should be red as well. Now you still have 8 days. If in 8 days you start to pump up, right? Let's say you make it back up to $16. I could be wrong in this scenario as well. Now if you do start to get 16.327, I think you have the next target as 23, which was, I kind of expected if Bitcoin didn't do anything stupid, but Bitcoin became stupid, and then all of a sudden we had to bother ourselves with the stupidness of Bitcoin, of course. Now thing is, things are not looking good, because I'm not just looking on what ICP is doing. I'm looking at what the whole crypto is doing, and right now still ICP on a higher, bigger picture, has broken the downtrend. This is your downtrend probably here, been broken out of, and I do understand it's actually something more like that. So your downtrend at least has been broken, right? Look at the higher time frame. This is what I'm looking at, because I'm in here for the long term. That's the reason why I'm opening up monthly, and I kind of believe $80 is still on the cards for ICP, probably somewhere in the future. And we may be looking at a touchdown here at 6.4, because that's your very big support next to it. Now let's say you lose 6.4, maybe come down again to 3 and start to move sideways like this, consolidate for the whole year, and then eventually maybe when that bull run moment comes, somewhere in the future, you start to see everything just completely moving up like this. That would be amazing. One can only dream, of course, but it really depends on how you print the candles every single day, and we're going to be talking about it hopefully. One thing I can actually say is that ICP on the monthly has 3 white soldiers. So if you look at this, this is a good news for you, okay? So one candle, second candle is green, third candle is green. That means that it's a continuation pattern, which means that eventually at some point ICP is meant to go back here to 17. Okay, it's almost the very similar situation to this 3 red candles. When you see 3 red, it's the opposite, right? So after the 3 red, you have a mini pump, and then you drop down, because this 3 red meant that ICP is really going to push down, right? Even though you had this green in the middle. So now you have the 3 greens, you have this red in the middle. We might see February, March, or April at some point actually starting to push back up again and creating an uptrend actually. So in an uptrend, getting downtrends a little bit isn't a big deal, because you are going to go in a waveform in crypto. And that's it for the video. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.